Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Look, today we just looked at this new stuff. Wow, look at that, look at that. Okay, this is Action 2. It's supposed to be a bit more, how to say, convenient for you to bring out and to put it on your body, on your car, on your helmet, just using a magnet and the clips. Yeah, everything these days DJI is actually going a lot of things with this magnetic way of attaching stuff, and it actually gives a lot more convenience. The key point right now is also not because how you can actually quickly put stuff in, but and attach it to anything that you want to video with and on, but it's also because of the small size. You can bring it everywhere. It's underwater proof. Basically, you don't really need to bring it, buy a casing, whatever, unless you need to buy the you need to put the attachment with the camera, and then you need to buy the diving case. So for somebody like me who dive occasionally, less so now, this is actually quite useful for about, if I'm not wrong, it's about 10 meters. So let's do the unboxing right now. You actually can see that it is not for sale for good reason because this is actually a media review kit. It has a magnetic. It runs for 4K at 120 frames per second. You can hang anywhere, like I just said. The good part about this is that why I like the Insta360 cameras, because it does stabilization, and based on the look of some of the reviews done online, really is a pretty good stabilization. So I'm gonna try this. This is a fantastic thing to have, especially when you don't want to bring a stabilizer around and this one solves it, and you just bring one selfie stick and then you basically got a stabilized shot with this thing. It has a dual OLED touchscreen. That is for the attachment, so that is good if you want to quickly manipulate stuff on the camera itself. And it's 10 meter, is that confirmed? It's 10 meter waterproof. It's down here. So let's have a look at what this is going to do. Of course, always nicely packed. That's the good thing about some of the stuff. Nicely packed, and you feel fantastic with it. And when you buy it, feel shook lah. Put it that way. Okay, let me go and find. Here it is. So this is open. You'll see here instructions on where to download all the apps. There is a necklace for you to hang to actually record what's going on. It has you can expand this, but on the camera itself, it's supposed to have a 32 gig memory, which is good enough for a lot of people. It gives us something down here, but it doesn't have, because it's, like I said, it's a review set, so there's not much things here. So this is the camera. That's how small it is. Look at it. It's inside my palm. Of course, GoPro has something similar a couple of years ago. So it's this size that you can actually put everywhere, and I would say that was a mixture between that GoPro camera, your normal GoPro, small little form factor camera, your normal GoPro camera, like what you can see here. See the size difference? So, and looks like it's convenient. Looks good, eh? So this is the touchscreen part. You can use it to manipulate the cameras and what have you. Beautiful, beautiful. Small little cube thing. See, about technology is really about putting these kind of things simple, bring it around. People don't think too much. And there is a shutter button right on top. So you can start recording just pressing this if you feel that muddling with this is not as tactile. And next thing is this is basically the screen part of the module. So what you do is, you see all the contact points there, just put it this way and there you go. Quite honestly, because of the claps here, it makes it easier. It makes it way easier for you to put it on and take it out. Wow, the magnet, you can see. So it takes some strength, and once you put it on, you really start to charge, and then haven't set up yet lah, huh? So that's the reason why they put it separate in package. So here's another button. There's a SD card expandable, which the Insta360 Go 2 does not have at all. USB-C, a lot of holes which I'm going to check out later and I'm going to manipulate. Here itself, it doesn't have an SD card expansion. That's the reason why it's 10 meter waterproof, which is good for you to bring for diving. Not the first dive at 30 meters, but perhaps the second last or third dive or fourth dive of the day, where you only can like dive for about 10 to 15 meters. Okay, so this is perfect when you are closer to the water surface. So this is definitely good enough. You can clip it on something. If water tank, because water tank is metal, it might work that way. So put that away, put aside. So what we have inside here is your normal cable, so this is the lanyard. Okay, so this is the lanyard. Okay, let me look through this main camera myself. Okay, adjust to it. You can put it behind, and it's supposed to, yeah, hold it this way. Check that out. Or put it behind a t-shirt, and it holds. Of course, the magnet is not as strong as the other model here, but hangs on. So you want to make sure that it doesn't fall off, then you put this over your neck, so like a necklace, so it holds instead. This is perfect when you're sitting in a sort of a roller coaster ride thing, and you just bring this thing along, and it's done. It's fine, it's beautiful. I don't want to bring the big ones like this or around. It takes out a space, or even normal. This is a GoPro 7, but even that, you see the size, and this guy, this definitely will sag a bit, not sag a bit more, just take up more space. In terms of weight, actually, this smaller thing actually weighs roughly the same as this big guy here, the GoPro. So when I'm thinking about it, yeah, this one will take a bit lesser space, and of using lanyards and all this, it's easier to actually bring things around lah. Put it that way lah, right? Okay, let's have a look at the other stuff. So there's a normal cable. This is the normal cable. And the second part of it is here is okay. Good. It also comes with your tripod head. Fantastic. Actually, once you have this thing, you actually can put a selfie stick down here. This with a selfie stick, and clip it up, and actually you can just do your vlog. You can just do your vlog just like that, easy. Okay, what's this? This is for your vehicle. So that's the claps down here. Or just a stand, I guess. Let me see if we can pry this open and see what's under. Yeah. So this sticky part is for your car. I guess this will be very useful if I'm renting a car, like for example, Blue SG, Get Go car, and want something to put on, maybe a Velcro or something, or something to clips on, or clip on with a clamp for a camera, and somewhere for you to hold it down there and recording while up. Because it's a rental car, you don't want to buy just a dash cam for it, and just want something that is maybe removable. This is definitely very, very useful. So this is what you have. You have the car sticker, the tripod sticker with the screw, so that you can screw with this like this. If you have if you already have tripod or selfie stick, this will work fantastically well. So this is the camera, this is the module itself, battery module itself. Look, that is so fast. You see at least 2 cm away, and this really claps beautifully. So, and cable, and that's inside the package. And oh, of course, I forgot one more thing, the necklace. If you are really into something that is a vlogging, this is perfect. It's like small little bag I can put inside my bag, and I'm ready to go to do recording. And sometimes even a mobile phone, it's not really that useful to bring around. Even a mobile phone, there's certain places that you really cannot bring it into as well. Like for example, roller coaster, you can't be holding onto the phone while you're doing some tipsy-turvy turning kind of maneuver with a roller coaster, or you're in a water ride somewhere and you just want to wear something and recording while you go through the ride. And the phone is definitely some phone is waterproof, but it's still too big to be brought down, and usually the safety people, the staff down there, will not allow you to go through. So this is the set that it comes with it. And somebody, okay, Orient Photo, I just say Orient Photo is selling at $639, which is like, okay, something that I might have to consider, because it's definitely easier to bring around rather than my usual GoPro like this, or in my Insta360 disc. Okay, good part about the Insta360 is because this module can be interchangeable. So and I will use this more for 360 shots these days, and it also has another module that is a normal camera just like this to be put on top. So for places that I need to do a lot of 360s, this is the camera to bring out. But maybe the GoPro 7, I will leave it at home, and to get the Action 2 instead, the DJI Action 2, because it's small little stuff and can do so much things, right? So this is Wilson Wong. If there's any question regarding this Action 2, you want to review, I'm going to review this thoroughly for the next couple of days. And if you have any question, you can just post it at the bottom, and then I'll look into it. So thanks everyone for watching this channel, and see you soon.